Hey guys, welcome to TechIntiv. And today, in this video, we are gonna talk about 5 Instagram story hacks. Like this one. Okay, let's jump right in. So, first thing I am gonna teach you is how to do rainbow or gradient text. So, go ahead and open up Instagram stories. And you can type subscribe to my channel. And you have to highlight the entire text. And press and hold on one of the color, so you bring up the rest of the colors. Now grab the right side of the text with your other thumb and, at the same time, you slide over colors. Next, is how to get a moving background, and use the eraser to write or draw something. So, open up Instagram stories, and take a photo, no matter whatever it is. And, then you wanna search for a GIF, specifically, a diamond. So, type in diamond, and, select this one, and, then, maximize that GIF, all the way, so it fills the screen. Now, download it to save it to your camera, then discard what you have. And swipe up to access the media from your camera, and choose the video you just downloaded. Then, tap the drawing tool, select the color you want, then press and hold the screen. Now tap the eraser tool, and write or draw whatever you want. Now, I will show you how to do multicolored transparent filters like this. Open up one of your photo, then tap on the text tool, make sure you are in the classic font, type a period, and type bunch of spaces, and then type another period, and choose your color, and then press that A twice. Now, you have got a transparent block of color. Now, position it to your need. And now we have got the multicolored filters on a photo. So, the next one is, if you look at the bottom here, swipe to the left, then you can see the layout option. These are grid templates and there are many presets. I am selecting the 4 grid. Now, you can take 4 different photos. And you can add text, emojis, or anything, and you can add it to your story. You can also use existing photos in this layout. Swipe up to open images, choose the images you wanna use in your stories. The last one is, did you know that you can add filters on existing videos? First, open one of your video. Press that emoji icon on top. And, yeah, here you can add different filters in videos which is not actually taken with Instagram camera. This feature also detects your face. So, you can add these filters with your face. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video.